Independent tests have shown something shocking. More than 40% of synthetic oils on store shelves fail to meet their own protection standards. But among the noise, a few brands truly stand out. These are the 5 best synthetic oils you can trust, and 5 you should avoid. Starting strong with Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic. 50 years on the market, and it's still a favorite. Lab reports from Blackstone and Real Drivers both show low metal wear even under high temperatures. The secret's in Castrol's titanium additive. It strengthens under stress, keeping engines running smooth and quiet. Next up, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Valvoline has one of the most balanced formulas out there. Moly, zinc, and top-notch detergents. Real-world users say their engines stay clean after hundreds of thousands of miles, and that's no accident. Number 3, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Made from natural gas, not crude oil, and nearly impurity-free. It resists oxidation, keeps pistons 65% cleaner, and performs perfectly in both heat and cold. Number 2, Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Trusted by automakers, proven for 15,000-mile intervals, and verified by countless lab tests. It's stable under high RPM and heat, making it ideal for turbo or long-distance drivers. And the top spot, AmSoil Signature Series. It's been the synthetic pioneer since the 1970s, and real users back it up. Yes, some question its certifications, but performance data shows outstanding oxidation resistance and stable viscosity far beyond 20,000 miles. Now, the 5 to avoid. Cheap no-name oils without API or Dexos ratings, sludge factories. High-mileage full synthetics that are really just blends, misleading marketing. Uncertified or outdated clearance oils, dead additives, fake value, and the worst mistake? Using the wrong viscosity. Thicker isn't always better. A 20W50 and a modern 0W20 engine will starve your bearings of oil. The truth is, every good oil has a purpose, but it has to match your engine's spec. Don't trust hype or price tags. Trust the data, the certifications, and real-world results. That's how you keep your engine running for 300,000 miles and not a mile less. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insider car alerts.